Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Google Tag Manager for marketing event deployment step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the Google Tag Manager website. Create a new account by clicking on the Create Account button. Enter your account name and select your country. Next, name your container and choose where to use it, typically web. Click on Review and accept the terms of service. You will then receive a code snippet for your new container. Copy the first code snippet provided, which is for the head section of your website. Paste this code into the head section of your website's HTML. Next, copy the second code snippet designed for the body section. Paste this snippet right after the opening body tag of your HTML. Once the code snippets are added to your website, go back to the Google Tag Manager interface. Click on Submit in the upper right corner to publish your container changes. Provide a version name and a brief description of the changes you made. Click on Publish to finalize. Now, navigate to the Workspace tab within Google Tag Manager. Click on Add a new tag. Select the tag type you want to create, such as Google Analytics. Configure the tag with the necessary tracking ID and settings. Next, set up a trigger for your tag. Choose the appropriate trigger type based on when you want the tag to fire, like page views or clicks. Save your changes. Finally, click on Submit to publish your new tag and trigger configuration. Your Google Tag Manager setup is complete, and you are now ready to deploy marketing events. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.